Hey, what's up? I'm JD.
I'm Chris.
And I'm Trevor. Welcome to the Washington Alpha chapter of Phi Kappa Psi. Come on in.
We like to start with our formal room to show off our composite. We have 95 members, 75 living in the house at the beginning of the year.
Our formal also holds all of our alumni events who give us really good internship opportunities in the workplace.
Next, let's head to our kitchen and dining room.
We have everything you need here to get your grub on. Full industrial kitchen, juice and water machine, cereal bar, bagel bar, and 3 hot meals a day made by our amazing chef Pat.
This is our dance floor where we host all of our fall and winter events. We have the high ceilings and industrial fans so it doesn't get hot in here.
But you'd be surprised this place cleans up well for an alumni event or Mother's Day brunch.
Now let's head to our backyard.
So this is our backyard, probably the staple of our house. We hold all our spring and summer. We have the various tables for various table games. And all our game day tailgates are back here as well.
As you can see, we also have 2 basketball hoops. Guys always be running threes back here or any other sport that you can think of.
I can feel like 80 rats in my Marys. Me and Drizzy back to back is getting scary. If you fucking with my eyes, just don't come near me. Put some bins all on your head like Justin Terry. Whoa. Richard Millie cuss a Lambo. Known to keep the baddest bitches on commando. Every time I'm in my trap, I move like Rambo. Ain't a neighborhood in Philly that I can't go. For real. She said, oh, you rich. Bitch, I graduated, call me Big Fish. I got Lori Hurry on my wish list. That's the only thing I want for Christmas.
We'll also hold our yearly philanthropy back here with a sorority on sorority volleyball game. This is the Cove, a place that some guys made a few years ago just to hang out and be a little closer to nature. We'll have fire pits down here, roast some weenies with the boys, and just have a good wholesome time.
Now let's head to one of our 3 senior live-outs.
This is our Nelson house. This is one of our 3 senior live-outs. It's named after our alumni, the co-founder of Ticketmaster, Jerry Nelson.
There's about 6 seniors that live in here every year, and it's a great place to come down to get advice on academics or just talk about anything with some of our dope seniors.
These guys are our best academic advisors with 100% major acceptance in the past 5 years.
What's up guys, I'm Kevin. I'm the president of Washington Alpha, and this is a library. This is usually where we hold committee meetings on a weekly basis.
Most of our committee chairmen are freshmen and sophomore. That way the younger guys in the house can immediately get involved and make an impact. Plus these positions are usually paid.
Most of the awards we have displayed here are for chapter excellence, which is among West Coast Phi Psis. This highlights the opportunities to get involved not only here at the chapter house, but amongst the national organization of Phi Psi. We like to hold smaller events down here like birthday parties and brotherhoods.
A lot of the events we hold down here are movie nights and movie premieres, as you can see the big flat screen TV and the couches. This is our weight room. Pretty much has all the essentials for a rainy day. You can avoid the walk to the IMA by just lifting here.
Plus before a party you see quite a few guys getting quick pumping. Let's go check out the upstairs where all the guys live. These are our bathrooms. They were just redone in 2018.
This is what a typical double looks like. This is actually my room. My roommate and I put in the work for this room to secure it down for the whole year. Storage. A lot of the guys in the house like to ski and snowboard, and we're out there all the time.
We're gonna see a typical single. These will typically be held by guys who hold positions in the house who are older members. You can lock down one of these rooms by helping out anywhere you can.
Welcome to Tiki Deck. This is where Trevor and I live. A lot of freshmen, sophomores, and juniors will hang out throughout the day here playing video games, or there's a sports game on watching that.
Every year the guys that live out here add on. This year we added the bar and the 3 TVs to give it a sports bar feel.
Alright, this is the 3rd floor. This is where all the freshmen live. It's dedicated to the study porch, palace, pet house, and porch.
Guys will be in here all day, hanging out, watching movies, shows, and just conversating.
Welcome to our pet house. This is our smaller party room where we have a lot of our smaller exchanges. The freshmen are giving $1,000 at the beginning of the year to do whatever they please, but it almost always turns out like this.
This is our study porch. Pretty much everything you need to succeed academically is in here. Free textbooks, free test files, free Scantrons, free printing, free stapling.
And even free tutoring from your boys.
And here's our academics chair right here, grinding away.
Hey guys, I'm Kenny. I'm our academics chair. Last quarter, winter quarter, we had a 3.51 house GPA. That's pretty good among the Greek system. Our minimum requirements for the house every quarter is a 3.0, which is on the higher end, but all it does is encourage you to get after it and get better grades.
Now let's go to the freshman porch. All of the freshmen live here in the 3rd floor, but it's not in military-style bunks.
Instead, every bunk's unique and you have the full freedom to do whatever you want to your space.
It can be a little intimidating living with 30 guys in the same area, but it'll turn out to be the best year of your life.
Let's go check out a normal bunk. With 30 guys in this porch, it really promotes inclusivity and brotherhood. These guys are going to be your best friends for life.
On diversity, academics, and service. If you're interested in rushing, check out our website, uwphisci.com.
Thanks for watching.
Rush Phi Psi and go Dogs.
Go Dogs, baby!